Hello and welcome to Structural Engineers Association of New York City College. Before I move forward with my club, I would like to give a brief introduction of a structural engineer. Have you ever stopped to wonder that huge variety of buildings and structures that we see all around us? Or why we just assume that houses will stay up and bridges won't fall down? The answer can be found in the work of a structural engineer. As highly skilled professionals, they work to ensure that whatever they are building can sustain the loads and stresses it will have to bear, as well improving construction in the places where we live. They are the guardians of safe construction. To the challenges they face are diverse, require creativity and problem-solving skills. That's why structural engineers are double designers and problem solvers. They are specialists to account for extreme conditions, such as heavy snow or coastal storms. There are seismic structural engineers who meet the challenges of the construction within earthquake zones, and they help to build shattered communities and restore normal life. Structural engineers help preserve heritage and meeting modern standards, and then they investigate the structures. That's why that was the reason behind the failure of the structure. There is a famous proverb that you might have heard that behind every successful man, there is a woman. A similar type applies here, but in a different manner. That behind every successful structure, there is a structural engineer. Also, when you buy a house or a building, as it's a major expense, but you can save a lot of money by consulting with a qualified engineer as they identify problems early on, and there will be no more surprises that you don't know. Hello, everyone. My name is Muhammad Ahmad, and I am the president of Structural Engineers Association of New York at City College, in short, SEAoNY. I am a junior, and my focus is a structural engineer, and I would like to do research to develop or invent a material that is lightweight and have the same strength as heavyweight materials. Other than that, I love to play sports, badminton, cricket, soccer, and bowling. And the vice president is Jocelyn Sarita. She is a sophomore and she's interested in structural development of underdevelopment communities focused in the Caribbean. And she loves art, fashion, and film, and is an environmentalist, vegan, and wants to work towards building more sustainable infrastructures. The secretary of the club is Laura Ortega. Laura is currently a junior, and her concentration is in transportation engineering. And she is interested in research, and in the future, she wants to get a master in construction management. And she likes nature, and she loves to have a coffee and tea. So, what is SEAoNY? SEAoNY stands for Structural Engineers Association of New York. SEAoNY is a member organization of National Council of Structural Engineers Associations. And this SEAoNY chapter, it focuses on the professional development of students through interactive workshops and events that help enhance the career of the student. So what we do, basically, SEAoNY is like where you go and meet professionals and you build network. And we encourage members to participate because this is the only way, this is the most easy way to polish your career. And as a member of a SEAoNY, what you can expect from SEAoNY is like you're going to meet the recent graduates. They are going to share their experience inside the college and outside the college in the field, like, like they work now. And we have workshops. They are the key values that you have to get. So the most important of them are resume critique workshops, where you know how to make resume and you will know how to write a cover letter. Then we have AutoCAD workshops, and we are trying our best to enhance that course so you have an early knowledge of these softwares. And we are working to get someone on Revit. So we have that skill too. So we work together, we go do site visit, we do shadow of an engineer, where we go and meet professionals and do networking. And they teach us that what our structural engineers is supposed to be doing after graduating. So, and we also co-host even with the other engineering club organizations, and in which includes American Society of Civil Engineers, Concrete Canoe, Deep Foundations Institute, and Chi Epsilon. Let's say if you are not civil engineer major, you're always welcome. As for you are City College student, you may come, you may join us for resume critique. Let's see if you have any innovative design or idea, you can share with us and we are going to execute it together. Join us to work together on some project. Join us to our goal for the members to gain transferable knowledge. And join us for a talk, and so we get to know each other. And please feel free to email us, and I would be happy to have you there. And I hope to see you there. And thank you so much for your time. I appreciate that. Good luck.